Hi lovelies, welcome back once again. I greet you guys according to your time. I hope you guys are good, guys. I am good as well. Happy New Year to you all. I hope we enjoy our holiday very well. Welcome back once again. So guys, in today's video I bring you guys a new remedy that I used on my daughter's hair, and it was so good, and I decided to share with you, my families in the YouTube, so that if you want, you can as well try and also give me your feedback. So what is the new remedy I'm talking about? I am talking about hibiscus flower and red onion, as you can see in the video. So I did a hairspray with hibiscus flower and red onion to detangle her hair and also promote her hair growth, because it is very useful to our hair. It helps in stopping loss of hair and breakage. It also improves our hair growth, and it also gives our hair volume. Okay guys, just watch the video and I hope you will learn something. And if you try this remedy, please give me your feedback in the comment section how it went, and I will be gladly check your comments because it means a lot for me, guys. All right, keep watching and I hope you learn something. So while you are watching, I'll be listing the benefit of hibiscus flower and the benefit of red onion to our hair.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough.
So guys, after detangling and applying it to her hair, I noticed that while I keep touching and massaging the hair, it keeps bringing out foam. So I was like, did I put soap inside this thing, or is the soap coming out? Maybe it's because of the onion, you know. So meanwhile, I didn't show everything when I was applying it all through because of the kid, you know. Children are always like that when you try to make their hair or put anything in their hair, so it's always stressful. So I wouldn't want to stress her and also stress myself. That's why I applied everything off camera and then show you guys the outcome of it. Okay, so I just massage through her scalp. I keep massaging and keep removing the dead hairs in the tips of the hair and massage through so that everything will go through her scalp and hair. So guys, after massaging and everything, this is it. This is the person that was crying when I was applying this thing off camera, and now look how she's even enjoying and doing shakara. Children, anyway, so guys, this is the outcome of our hibiscus and onion hairspray. Okay, it was very soft, guys. It was, I can't lie, in fact my hand was going through the hair and she didn't even cry anymore, and I really enjoyed this remedy, guys. So I'll be glad to hear that someone tried it. Okay guys, anyway, I will just cover the hair with a sack and leave for like 30 minutes and then wash it off. and put her hair in a protective style. So this is the random shampoo that I'll be using. This is not the main one I use for her, but this is the random one I'll be using. That is shampoo and conditioner 2-in-1. So I will use it on her hair. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.